How to add phone number to your Amazon account. What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to add a phone number on your Amazon account. So simply go ahead and open up Amazon first on your device. And once you open up Amazon, just make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, just tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom right corner, and this menu will pop up on your screen. You'll find your shortcuts. Just head over to your account. If you don't see it, just tap on the profile icon and you'll be taken directly to your account section. Now just tap on account again, and from this list you're going to have to find account settings, and right below that go to login and security. Here on this option you have all of your details like your name, email, and your primary phone number, passkey if you've selected it, two-step verification, and all of this good stuff. So go ahead and tap on the primary mobile number so you can add the phone number for an extra layer of security. So tap on add, and from here select your country code. Once you've entered the country code, just select and enter your phone number, click on continue. And once the verification code will be sent, so just click on OK. It will send you a verification code on this number, and you're just going to have to go ahead and enter the code and verify your phone number. That's it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.